Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to import audio into Garageband. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Garageband application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with finding the instruments that we want to record. We can go and plug in a guitar, bass to play, and so on. So you can see we have our keyboard, drums right here and so on, and we also have the audio recorder. But let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here for today to show you how it works, where you can get started recording anything you want. So basically this option is going to enable you to use your iPhone as a microphone so you can record yourself playing an instrument, you can sing, you can do whatever you want. And now let's go and see how to import audio into our recordings and track to mix it up. Basically guys, as you can see, here is our recording section, but first to add an audio we want to go into edit mode. So go ahead to edit mode right here in the upper left corner. By clicking edit mode, here we can see all the tracks that we have, instruments and so on that we have played, and now we can get started with adding our audio. So to add the audio, all you have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner, click in the upper right corner this button that's going to enable you to get started with browsing items from the Files app. So as you can see, we have an option that says browse items from Files app. That's going to enable you to find the mp3 file that you want to add. So go ahead and select it, and after that you can go and drag and drop it into your track right here, and that is how to import your audio files and add them to your recordings and tracks right here and save it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.